Yo, what up mga boss? Boss Frank Bike Parts here. Today is Tuesday. We do have release of Sipo Mamba R. It's a 2026 Sipo Mamba R po na frame set na binuo namin. So si Sir Angelo yung customer. Nag-inquire po siya sa page. Sobrang humble nung pagka-inquire guys. Bali, tinanong lang kung available. Tapos in-invite namin to visit the showroom. So yun, nag-visit today. Tako, wala. Sobrang humble talaga. Then nag-add si boss ng helmet niya, Casquetopia Y, black, XC9 na shoes, at element room for his computer. So dyan yan. Then inner tube extra and camelback na water bottle. Tapos yung cage niya is Elite and nagpalagay siya ng top tube. So boss, ano po yung masasabi nyo?
Well, I really appreciate the assistance extended to me by Boss Frank and Miss Apple. Really welcoming in this shop. Thank you very much.
So okay guys, thank you. Again, I'm Boss Frank of Bike Parts po. So if you have any inquiries or if you need bikes, if you're interested kung ano yung mga bikes na meron kami na nakapost namin or yung nasa video namin, kindly visit us here at BEZ Tower San Juan.